Police department. Hey, how's it going? Police department.
Sorry for the delay. I thought it was.
Yeah, what's going on?
So, my friend and his girlfriend came by, and I was asleep. And long story short, he was having like some type of side effects or whatever. I think he was on meth.
Okay.
So he was out here and with his girlfriend, and I said, that's from my car.
Yeah.
And he's been paranoid, saying like the cops is like looking at your drone and stuff like that. So I said, look, let me take you to the hospital. So I get to the hospital.
So you actually took him?
No, he took my car. So I'm on Whitelock, about to make a left turn, right? And he's like, why is your blinker on? And I'm like, man, it's good. He was like, no, you in on it too. You know, they come to get me. First he said that somebody was trying to kill my family.
What's his name?
His name is Booker Pinnell.
How do you spell his first name? Or his Pinnell?
Yeah, P-A-N-E-L.
You don't know his birthday, do you? How old is he?
He's 40, so it's May.
Can't afford.
It's in May. It's in May.
I'll stay for here for those stuff again.
So, as I'm making a left turn, he's screaming. He was like, they're coming to get me. And he pulls the gun on me. And so, pulls the gun on me, and then he like put it to his head. So I got out, and I ran. And I'm running, and I'm like,
where was this at?
Right there on the Whitelock.
In Franklin High or what?
On Franklin High. Okay. So you're Franklin High and on Whitelock. I made a left on Whitelock, and you know there's the first turn before you can go to the neighborhood.
Yeah.
I pulled in there, and I pulled right by the car, and I just left it there, and I just ran.
Did he point the gun at you? Or you
Yes, he did.
Okay, so he told you to get out or something like that, or you just pointed the gun?
I thought he was gonna kill me.
Just over there.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Don't you go to
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground!
I got it. Switching.
Get on the ground! One person top. There's people trying to kill you.
Okay, get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Are you guys really the police on us? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get on the ground.
Switch it. Please, yes.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
You will be tased. Get on the ground.
I don't want to die, please. I don't want to die. Listen, please, please.
Taser, taser, taser.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Hands up!
Hands up!
Get on the ground now!
Taser, who's less lethal? Who's less lethal?
Get on the ground!
Switching.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground!
One person top. There's people trying to kill me.
Okay.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Tase him if you can.
Yes, sir.
Tase him if you can.
Get on the ground.
Switch it.
Please, yes.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
You will be tased. Get on the ground.
I don't want to die. Listen, please, please.
Taser, taser, taser.
Oh shit. Stop moving! No, stop. Hold on. In the ambulance. Lose your hands! Hands! Put your fucking hands up! Hands!
Move forward.
Yep.
Move forward.
Shots fired. Go.
Blue right here. Blue right here.
I'll grab this guy. I'll grab this guy.
Hands. Grab him and get him medical.
I got you.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Yeah.
Okay, right here. It's right here. In between his legs. Go ahead and pull that.
There's his gun.
Got it.
I'm gonna render it safe. Who's this?
Just leave it.
Leave it on the ground?
Secure it.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Secure it hard.
Okay. It's on floorboard of 213, everybody. Taser!
Oh shit. Stop moving! No, stop. Fuck! In the ambulance.
Slow down.
Loose your hands!